Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the topic acid, base and salt and its objective questions. Those are very important for your upcoming examinations. First question is that an acid is a substance which donates a proton, accept an electron, give H plus in water. The right answer is D, all. The next question, question number 2. Tetric acid is obtained from grapes. Question number 3. Formic acid is obtained from red ants. Question number 4. Uric acid is present in urine of mammals. Question number 5. A base is a substance which donates electrons, accepts protons and give OH minus ions in water. Question number 6. Blue litmus paper is converted into red in a solution of acid. Blue litmus paper is converted into red in a solution of acid. Question number 7. Red litmus paper is changed into blue in solution of. The right answer is base. Question 8. In neutralization reaction product is salt and water. Question number 9 onwards. Water solution base is called alkali. Question number 10. Acid reach with bases to give salt. Question number 11. According to the Arrhenius theory of an acid and base, an acid is a substance which gives H plus ions in water. Question number 12. The negative logarithmic value of hydrogen ion is called pH. Question number 13. pH value of neutral solution is 7. pH value of acidic solution is less than 7. pH value of alkaline solution is greater than 7. Question number 16. In pure water, hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 7. pH scales had been given by Sorsen. Question 18. Sulfuric acid is a dibasic. Question 19. The pH value of milk is 6.6. 20. pH value of human blood is 7.35-7.45. pH value of human blood is 7.35/7.45. The acid uses in eye wash is boric acid. And the elements common to all acid is hydrogen. Malic acid is found in the apples. Question number 24. The increasing order of acid strength of HCl, HI, HBr, HF is HCl, HBr and HI. Which one is the tribasic acid? S3PO4. The acid used in a lead storage battery is S2SO4. Question 27. Source of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Question 28. A base is a substance which is better in taste, gives OH minus ions in aqueous solution and can donate electron. Question 29. The pH value of wine is 2.8. Question 30. A solution of washing soda in water is alkaline. Question 31. The weakest acid among the following is CH3COH, which is not a Lewis base, BF3. Question 33. The pH of lemon juice is accepted to be less than 7. Question 34. Aluminium oxide is a amphoteric. Question 35. Which is not a Lewis acid? NS3. Which one of the following is the strongest acid? SClO4. The acidic hydrogen is present in ethylene. Ethene. The acidic hydrogen present in ethene. Question number 38. The sum of pH and pOH in aqueous solution at 25 degrees Celsius is 7. By what factor is a solution with pH equal to 2 more acidic than one with pH equal to 6, that is 10 to the power 4? Question number 40. If a solution of pH is equal to 6 is diluted by 100 times, the resulting solution would be a basic. Question 41. With the reference to their relative strength, which one of the following is sequence on the basic is correct? ClO4 minus, CS3, COO minus, HCO3 minus, and OH minus. Question 42. The pH of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 7. When it is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, the pH water is decreased. Thanks for watching and sharing.